Hey there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam. In this video, I'm going to talk about this Bambu Lab AMS 2 Pro if you are planning to upgrade your 3D printer with an AMS. And I met with a limitation, I would say, with this. So I used to use this Kity filament dryer, and of course it can dry filament whenever you want to. But there is one more advantage of it. Like when you are printing, you can still use it, and it would be helpful or advantageous, especially when you are printing nylon and other hygroscopic material. However, when we talk about this Bambu Lab AMS 2 Pro, here you can see I am in screen of drying and humidity, and it won't let you dry despite it have got inbuilt dryer during printing. So if you are printing, you cannot dry your filaments. So that's kind of limitation of this AMS 2 Pro. I thought of maybe I can share it with you. If you are thinking of upgrading your AMS, so this is AMS first and dryer second. Thank you.